Hello guys, welcome to Vedich Academy, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. First, let us derive the value for cos 36 degrees. And here 36 degrees can also be written as 2 times of 18 degrees. So hence we can write cos 36 degrees as cos 2 into 18 degrees, and by assuming a equal to 18 degrees, we can say that this is in the form of cos 2a. So we already discussed the formula of cos 2a, which is 1 minus 2 sine squared a. So by using this formula here, we can write cos 2a, that is cos 2 into 18 degrees, as 1 minus 2 sine squared 18 degrees. And we already found the value of sine 18 degrees in our previous videos. That is, sine 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So by using this value of sine 18, we get here 1 minus 2 into the value of sine 18, which is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So here by simplifying, we get 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 whole square, which is in the form of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now let us expand this. So by expanding, we get here a square, that is root 5 whole square, minus 2 into a, which is 2 into root 5, into b, which is 1 here, plus b square, which is 1 square, divided by 4 square, which is 16. So that implies we get here 1 minus 2 into, here square and square root gets cancelled, so we get here 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 divided by 16. And here 2 1 time is 2 and 2 8 times is 16. So that implies we get here 1 minus 5 plus 1, which is 6. So we get here 6 minus 2 root 5 by 8. And then by taking LCM, we get here 8 minus 6, minus into minus, which becomes plus 2 root 5 divided by 8. So that implies we get here 2 plus 2 root 5 divided by 8. And then taking 2 as the common factor, we get 2 into 1 plus root 5 divided by 8. And here by simplifying, 2 1 time is 2 and 2 4 times is 8. So that implies we get here 1 plus root 5 by 4, which is nothing but the value of cos 36 degrees. So therefore, we derived the value for cos 36 degrees, which is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. And make a note of all these formulas, that is cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared a, whereas the value of sine 18 degrees, which is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, and the formula of a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and at last the value of cos 36 degrees, which is root 5 plus 1 by 4. And now let us derive the value for sine 36 degrees. So in order to find, we already know a trigonometric identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that implies we can also write this identity as sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and sine theta will be equal to under root 1 minus cos square theta. So by using this trigonometric identity, we can find the value of sine 36 degrees, which will be equal to under root 1 minus cos square 36 degrees. So here by using the value of cos 36 degrees, which we derived just now, which is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So by substituting this value of cos 36 degrees here, we get under root 1 minus the value of cos 36 degrees, which is root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So that implies we get here 1 minus root 5 plus 1 whole square, that is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So by using this formula, let us expand. So here by expanding, we get root 5 whole square plus 2ab, that is plus 2 into root 5 into 1, into b square, which is 1 square here, divided by 4 square, which is 16. So that implies we get here 16 minus, here square and square root gets cancelled, and we get 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 1 divided by 16. So here we get under root 16 minus 5 plus 1, which is 6 here. So 6 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So that implies we get here under root 16 minus 6, minus into plus becomes minus here, 2 root 5 divided by 16. So that implies here we get under root 16 minus 6, which is 10, minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So that implies we get here under root 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by square root of 16, which is 4. So hence we derived the value for trigonometric ratio sine and cos for the multiple angle 36 degrees, that is cos 36 degrees is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4, whereas the value for sine 36 degrees is equal to under root 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So this was the basic introduction on how to derive the values for the trigonometric ratios for multiple angles. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on trigonometry on our website vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.